A flash of color blasts across the screen as a cardboard burst reveals a rainbow shadow puppet. The activity builds fine motor skills while teaching cause and effect through simple hand movements and color mixing. Recycled cardboard, torn magazine scraps, non-toxic paints, cloth scraps, and a clothespin hinge become the stage for this craft. With rapid cuts, children layer scraps, glue on shapes, test puppets in light, and practice gentle pinching to puppeteer. This sensory exploration boosts focus, creativity, and coordination, inviting families to subscribe and share their kids' puppets for SparkleCraftia.